going to talk about structure of HTML and various its tags. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so here we will start our HTML. As I told you, tags are started with your left angle bracket and right angle bracket. Okay, so let's see. First of all, I am writing HTML. Okay, just a minute. I'm writing here docs type HTML. Fine. After that, I'm writing head. Clear? After that, I am giving title. Clear? And after that, I'm just simply closing head. Clear? After that, our next tag starts, that is body. I will write here few lines and I will close this body tag and HTML tag. Okay. Now you can see here. This is basic structure of HTML. This is how we used to write down our document. Okay, I'll make the file of HTML. Fine. So here we are starting with docs type. Okay, doc type HTML. Here docs type. This is used in HTML5 only. Okay, this is the documentation. Clear? That tells, that specifies about the page. That specify about the page means that file is going to be open in HTML5. Okay, so this is but in the previous versions 2, 3 or 4, that tells the versions of the HTML. But here it is simply telling, it is a documentation that specifying that you are going to open your file in HTML5. Okay, next is head. Okay, next is head. So head means it is giving the information. It is the metadata. Okay, it is the metadata. Metadata means data about data. Okay, so it gives the data, fine, about your web page. Means like yes, of course you can also define that metadata here also, meta name here also. Metadata means like you are telling here who is the author, who is copyright information that you want to give over here. Fine, so you can mention it here also. Okay, you can write here meta name. Okay, and then simply write down the information like here name, okay, author, or any other information you want to display. Fine, that is metadata. Clear? After this, we are writing title. Here before this, we are writing title. Title means you are giving the title of the web browser. Okay, title to your web browser according to your file. Clear? According to your HTML file. Fine, suppose you are talking about you can say cyberbullying. Okay, so you want to give the title to your browser cyberbullying, so that title will come here. Okay, it will come here. Okay, you will write down the name here. Fine, and this title will appear at the top of on the title bar of the web browser. Okay, so next here meta name already done. So here we are going to close head. Now all the job has been done here. Okay, so you can see head tag is closing here. Clear? Now next is body. Body is the important part. Whatever the information that you want to display on the web browser, that thing you have to write in between the body tag. Okay, any formatting tags you want to use, P, BR, bold, underline, italics, anything you want to apply to your text, that will be used here only. Okay, so that is the body. Okay, means it is just simply the data that you want to display on your web browser, on your web page, that will come here. After that, I am closing body tag And to end this file, yes, of course, we have to end it with the HTML only, HTML tag only. If we are starting with this, you are going to end with this only. Okay, clear? So let's see here. You can see body tag is coming here, and this HTML is starting here and ending here. This head is coming here and body is here. So this is the basic structure that we use. Okay, this is the basic structure that we use to write on the HTML file. Clear? Fine. Now, after that, how to create a file. See, in the previous video, we talked about the text editors. So we can use many editor. My editor is there, Notepad, WordPad, any editor. Okay, but mostly Notepad is used. Okay, so we will open Notepad in our system. Suppose this is my Notepad. Okay, I have opened the Notepad. Clear? So here same, I have the menu bar, file, okay, whatever the icons are here, format, okay, and so on. There are many. Okay, so this is my area where you are going to write your HTML tags. Okay, so look here, I am starting here with HTML. Fine. After that, I am writing here, docs HTML. Docs type HTML. Okay. Then after this, what is the next thing? Head. So I will write here head. Fine. Next, I have to give the title to my browser. Title. Okay, suppose I want to give the title here, cyber security. Okay, and I am closing here my title. Okay, see, it's optional, you want to write or not. Okay, that depends on you only. I'm skipping it. Okay, so next is I have to close my head tag. Fine. Next is the body. So I will write here few lines, okay, like suppose cyber security is the important part of our life in today's digital India. Fine. So after that, I am going to close body here. Clear? And I am going to close here my HTML tag. Okay. So you can simply see what I am doing. This HTML is closing here. Okay. And this head tag is closing here. Okay. And this title tag is closing here. Okay. And this body tag, look here, is closing here. So you can see here, if there is one opening tag, then here these tags, that the basic tags I have used here, okay, they all are having their closing tags also. Okay, so what is here? Docs type means it describes the what type of it describes the page. Okay, that you are writing your file is going to be open in HTML5. Okay, head is means it is the head. Okay, that tells the information about your data. Okay, it contains the metadata, that is data about data. Fine. Title, that is the name of the file, name of your file of the web browser that appears on your title bar of the web browser. Next is I have given the title. I am closing this body, whatever I want to display on my page. Okay, it is coming here. Body closing. Now see, now what? Now the next step, I have written the code. So how can we see our code as a web browser page? Okay, so let's see here what I will do. Okay, so this is my option, that is file. Okay, when I will click here, their option comes new, open, save, save as, and so on. Okay, so I will click here on save as, this option. Okay, after that what is going to happen, one this file dialog box will appear. Okay, it will ask you for your page name. Okay, it will ask you for your page name, you can give any name. Okay, ABC. Now the important thing is here that you don't have to miss, okay, while giving the name. Okay, when you're saving your file in HTML, you always have to save your file with the HTML extension, that is .htm or HTML. Okay, if you will not write this extension, it will save this as a text file. Okay, clear? So you must have to write here abc.html. Clear? So suppose now you have to select the location where you want to save, select it and click on save button. Fine. And now suppose you are just simply saving your file on desktop. Okay, after that you will open your desktop. Clear? After doing this step, you will see your file. How? Now your question is how we will recognize our file. Okay, as I told you, yes, of course you can open this file with the help of browser only. Okay, so look here, so this is my desktop. Okay, so your file, suppose you are using Microsoft Edge, okay, as a to open this file. So your file will come like this, Edge, here your file name ABC. This is how. Okay, if you are saving it with the Google Chrome, then your file will be saved as a Google Chrome symbol. Okay, here Chrome, here your file name. When you will double click over here, your file will be appeared. It will open in your browser. Okay, this file will be opened in your browser. What will come here? Now what will come here? This is my title bar. Okay, this is my title bar. Okay, so name will come here, that is cyber security that I have given at the top. Fine. After that, whatever I have written here, it will come here. Okay, cyber security is the important so. Okay, this whole line will come here. Clear? So this is how you can write your HTML document. This is all about today's tutorial, lesson 2. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. Thank you.